Hello everyone. We are going to be reviewing the preterite. This is something you learned in Spanish too. Make sure you have your preterite note-taking sheet with you. So the preterite. The preterite is used to talk about what happened in the past. Fill that in. The preterite expresses a completed action. There is a definite blank and blank. There's definite beginning and end. So it's something we're used to the present tense. I eat. Now this is I ate. So we are just going to be reviewing the AR endings. So here are the endings for the AR. Aste, o, amos, astes, aron. Okay, so write that under AR verbs. ER, IR verbs we're going to go over in Unit 2, Lesson 1. Aste, o, amos, astes, aron. You may have to pause this because I'm going to go on to the next thing. Make sure you put the accent marks nice and big over the yo form and over the LA usted form. Okay, comprar, to buy. If you feel comfortable, I would pause this and I would try to conjugate comprar in todas las formas, in all the forms. I want you to write your pronouns, yo, tú, usted, él, ella, nosotros, vosotros. Conjugate comprar. Write what it means in English. You're going to take off your ending, your AR, and you're going to add the A, the aste, the O, the amos, the astes, the aron, just like you would in the present tense, right? So you're going to take off the AR and you're going to add something different. So if you feel comfortable, pause it, try it, and then compare it with what I have. Yo compré, I bought. It's very important that you write what these mean, because like I said, in Spanish too, you have to know the meanings, especially for the test for this chapter. Compraste, you familiar singular bought. It's not compras. Compras is you buy. This is the past tense. Compró, you formal singular bought. He or she bought. Compré, compraste, compró. Compramos, we bought. Comprastes, you familiar plural bought. Compraron, you formal plural bought, or they bought. Aste, o, amos, astes, aron, to talk in the past tense. So again, pause this if you want, so you can write this stuff down. I'm going to go on to the next section. Write any questions down you have as well. Car, gar, and zar verbs. You had these in Spanish 1 as well. They have some changes in the yo form. They're irregular in the yo form. So make sure you write that down. Okay, just in the yo form. Do you remember what the changes are? Car, we have the C changes to a QU in the yo form. Sacar, por ejemplo. Okay, so you have the C, and then we have a change to the QU. Gar, G to GU, just in the yo form. Pagar. So the P here, the G, I'm sorry, changes to a GU, and then you add your regular ending. Zar, the Z changes to a C. Por ejemplo, almorzar changes to the C right here, and then you just add your yo ending at the end. After you're finished filling that out, go on to the next page. Again, fill out irregular in the yo form. Dice, escribe la forma yo de los verbos abajo. You're going to write down the columns car, gar, and zar just like I have on my PowerPoint. You are going to write down all these verbs. This is vocab you need to know, and then underneath each one, you are going to conjugate it in the yo form. I'll give you an example. Buscar, busqué, which is I looked for. So pause this, write them down, write the yo form under each one, and then come back and check. So you're going to write these down and what they mean. It may help you to use two different colors. You see how the ending pops when it's in red? I like to use red and black a lot. Saqué is another one. Pause it, come back. Practicar, practiqué. Tocar, toqué. Llegué, pagué, jugué, almorcé, empecé, comencé. Okay? Those are just some of them. So anything that you see that has these endings, these are the changes just in the yo form. Next section. what I would like you to do is I would like you to write llegar and practicar above on your sheets, and I want you to conjugate them in all of the forms. Be careful. Llegar is a gar and practicar is a car. Okay, so you're going to have to change it in the yo form, and then take off the endings and add the a, aste, o, amos, astes, aro. Okay, so pause it now. Now that you're back, llegué, llegaste, llegó, llegamos, llegastes, llegaron. Okay, we have the G to GU right here. And then also, see it right there? The only difference, if you look at it between the to form and the vosotros form, is that in vosotros you add an IS to it. Then we have practicar. The C changes to a QU in the yo form. Then you have your endings. A, aste, o, amos, astes, aron. How'd we do? Good? On your sheets as well, I want you to conjugate buscar, pagar, and almorzar in all the forms. And we'll go over that tomorrow. Last thing, on the other side of your sheet, on the back, I would like you to practice, just like this example. Conjugate the verb and translate it to English. Do not forget to translate it to English. I've given you two examples, actually. Yo caminé, I walked. And number 9, ustedes descansaron. You all formal rested. Write these down. Write number 1 through 9. Write down the verb llegar yo, hablar nosotros. Conjugate it. Write what it means in English. Then come back. Okay, now that we're back, here are your answers. Llegué, I arrived. Hablamos, we spoke. Buscaron, they looked for. Ellos is they. It's not you. Almorcé, I ate lunch. Bailastes, you all Spain, or you could say you formal familiar plural. Practicaron, they practiced. Compró, you formal singular bought. Contesté, I answered. Descansaron, lo siento. You all formal rested. Okay, well, have a good night, and I will see you all tomorrow.